Hey travelers, we're having a down day today since we've been going so much. There's a few errands that we kind of needed to do today. I'm getting some work done here at the Airbnb. Krista went out to the grocery store because we needed to replenish some groceries for our coming rest of the trip. We came into a problem. Our problem is that there's no washer and dryer here, and we didn't plan for that whenever we were planning our trip. And so the person who's renting this place, our host, told us that there is a laundromat like down the road. We drove by and we were like, looks a little sketchy. So we either had to try and get by with the clothes that we have to be able to make it to the next place that does have a washer and dryer, which I actually don't think has a washer and dryer. So we decided to take our clothes down to the washateria, and they're gonna like fold and launder all of them for us. And so I opted to just pay to let somebody else do it so that I could get some work done. So that is going on right now. Hopefully Krista doesn't spend $1 bajillion at the grocery store, and hopefully this laundry doesn't cost that much either. We have 5 kids, or 5 people in the family, and it's $1.75 per pound of laundry. I don't know if that's expensive or not because I've never used a service like this before. What happened?
Spent all the money.
All the money.
All of it.
Oh Lord. Good Lord. $175.
I told you I bought a lot of snacks and I bought a lot of breakfast sausage. I bought a lot of fun beverages.
Did you get the laundry dropped off?
Yeah.
Did they tell you how many pounds it was or anything?
No.
No, it's whenever you pick it up. Okay.
They were very nice though. They had unscented laundry detergent. I told her no fabric softener. She said great.
Trader Joe's is not cheap.
But it's actually really like the dried fruit was incredibly reasonable price.
Oh really?
$3 for a package.
Okay, yeah, that's normal.
Yeah.
You had fun with Mom?
Yes, we ate cookies the other day.
I know.
Did you taste them?
Not yet.
They are so good.
Okay. Since today's kind of a down day, I figured I'd give you guys a full tour of this Airbnb. Bring in the groceries. Oh boy, bring it in. Okay, good job. No cookies right now because you already ate some. Easy water. So we probably already had plenty.
There's about a different place.
Ah, okay. All right, so I'm still trying to get some work done. Krista went to Trader Joe's. She spent way too much money. We haven't gotten our laundry back yet. I don't know if they're supposed to call us or something, but she came home with the kids. They ate some lunch, and then she took them to the park so that I could finish getting my work done. I'm trying to get this stuff done so we can go have some fun tonight. Although one thing we have to do today is we need to go to church. So I don't know if we're gonna go all the way downtown. There's like this really nice, fancy old church over by the Gateway Arch, which would be super cool to go to. But you have to drive like 25 minutes into town and then you have to drive back. So it's like an hour of driving that I really don't want to have to burn gas on, especially with gas prices these days. So I think we might just go to one that's right up the road. Probably not as big and fancy and scenic and whatnot, but we just need to get to church before the end of the day. So first of all, you have these steps right here that you walk up. I gotta mention that someone does live down below. You're renting the upper spot right here. Some nice rocking chairs. You can lounge in, maybe drink your coffee in. And it's nice that it's enclosed. Gives you a little bit of privacy in here as well. Storm door right here, and then you have your keypad right here, so that's how you're gonna enter into the Airbnb. And then this right here, you walk right into your living room right here. So this is the living room area. Great couch right here because as y'all can see, it folds up into this giant bed, which our toddler, Beckett, has been sleeping right here. But let me show y'all how easy this thing is. You just lift this up, bring it down, and roll it away, and then now you have a regular like couch with a chase lounge on the side. So we really like that. We thought that that was super cool. Kids have been having a blast playing with this little aspect of it right here. Got some windows right here. If someone is sleeping in here in the bed, in the couch bed, there's a lot of light that comes in through the windows, and there's no darkening curtains on there. So that is definitely one downfall here. You do have a nice Emerson TV right here with a Apple Fire Stick attached to the back of it, so you can get all your entertainment needs. There's Wi-Fi here, so if you want to utilize the Wi-Fi, you can do that as well. They give you the passwords, very secure password, so you know that you're safe there as well. The air conditioner blows super cold, so if you like having cold air, You have these vents on the ground here, and it's on right now. I don't know if y'all can hear it, but it works really well. If you don't like the cold air, you can close the vents just like that really easily. So it's super cool, very convenient to be able to have as much or as little air as you want out of that. And on the other side, this is your kitchen area. Nice big kitchen area too. I love this giant table right here. One, it gives me room to work. Two, it's big enough for us to be able to sit at as a family and have a good meal at the table. So I really like that aspect. You don't see this in a lot of Airbnbs. On the other side right here, you have a nice big refrigerator freezer right here. So you can store all of the things that you might need to bring. There's even room up top that we use to put some extra snacks and whatnot. You have recyclables, you have a garbage bin right there. Got a nice gas stove right here and oven. So if you want to cook, you can do plenty of that in here. All the knives that you could need right here. Krista, my wife, said that they are super sharp. They work really well. So I really like that. Oh, it's always nice to have a good set of knives whenever you come to an Airbnb. We actually bring a couple of knives with us in our food box down there because a lot of Airbnbs don't have good enough knives. Here, you have a deep fryer right here. You have a fondue set, a blender, a toaster, and a coffee pot all right in here. So they give you a lot of things that you can cook with in this Airbnb as well, which is fantastic because we are travelers who like to cook to save money. Let me go around over here and show you all the rest of the house before we go outside, because the outside is actually quite nice. And a big dream catcher right here in the hallway, so if you want to catch your dreams. The kids slept in this bedroom right here. Some nice big beds for them to sleep in, one on that side, one on that side, and then you got a little chest thing right here in the middle where you can put some odds and ends, and a nice little lamp that can go right there. They do have a couple of fans that they've stowed away in the closet right here, so if you do need a fan at night, which our kids did, they have some of these really nice comfort zone fans right here. Kids have been getting a great night's sleep in here at night. They have a nice little chandelier, small chandelier lamp up there. Great bedroom. Haven't had any issues in here at all. Back through the hallway, you have your Sensi thermostat right here. Super easy to use. You're basically just gonna bring it up or down and put it on whatever you want, cool, heat or off. Very easy. We enjoyed that. I like these dog hooks right here. It's a dog butt with the tail sticking up so you can hang stuff on there. I thought that was fun. This is the master bedroom right here. My wife and I have been sleeping in this bed. I gotta say, I think it's a double bed because it seems a little bit smaller than a queen, so we've been snuggling up a little closer to each other. Kind of be nice if you had a little bit of extra room with a queen size bed. In fact, I would give up the nightstands to be able to have a little bit bigger bed in here. So that's one downfall that I can say about this. You have some nice curtains right here that block out most of the light, which has been fantastic. Got a little light up top here to give the bedroom some lighting. The one thing that I can say that I do not like about this particular room that we're standing in is, listen. This floor creaks a lot. And whenever I'm getting up in the middle of the night to use the bathroom or just to get up before everyone else, you hear the squeakiness in the floor. So that's definitely one thing that I have to say that really bothered me a little bit about this Airbnb, because I could hear my wife even get up in the middle of the night and the floor squeaking and all that type of stuff. Let's go ahead and go on into the bathroom right here. It's just a one bathroom place, which we make work with our family of 5, surprisingly. You got hey guys, you got a nice little medicine cabinet right here so you can stow away all of your things right there. Big, nice sink right here so you can have plenty of room to do all your morning routine. You can probably put 2 people at this sink side by side if necessary. And then this right here is your toilet, nice American standard toilet, flushes really well. And then of course you have a trash can right there on the side and a cleaner, Clorox cleaner right there. I really love this sliding door right here for the shower. So you just simply slide this open. You can drape your towel right here. There's a little bit of a lean to this, so if you have this one going, I've found that it started to bounce back on me, and so they've actually added magnets on this particular door so that it would stay a little bit better. It's one thing that I noticed. But inside here, you got very nice fixtures in here. You got a nice Moyne shower head right there. Let me go ahead and show you guys the pressure that the tub has right here. So turning on the faucet, turning on the shower. And this shower has a few different settings on here as well, so you can choose whichever setting you like the best. But We've been taking some great showers in here. Can definitely recommend this shower in this tub right here. It's been super fantastic. Highly recommend. That is basically the inside of the Airbnb. It's not super big, but let me take you guys outside now. You have this nice backyard area right here, and it has a gas grill right here, a couple of chairs and a table. So if you want to utilize the outside grill and have a nice barbecue or something like that, you got a nice Brinkman grill right here. We utilize this. Food tasted delicious because my wife is an awesome cook. They actually had some people come and build this little area out here. It's like a little deck area that they're building with a table and chair underneath some shade right here. So this is super nice. I really, really like this. Good way to beat the heat from the outside. So this is also your backyard. One night while we were here, a deer came through that gate right there and was just chilling in the backyard over here. That's so crazy. What is it doing? Is that crazy, Beckett?
Was that one from the park?
I don't know. It's probably a different one. Where is he going? Is he leaving? So you might see some wildlife while you're out here, which I thought was super cool. Oh, the other morning too, while we were out here, out in the front yard on the side, there was a little rabbit that our kids saw, and they were very excited to see that. And then up top of this hill across the way right here, there's actually a middle school track, like a running track. So if you want to, my wife actually did this morning. She went over down the road right here and across the way, and she went for a run on that running track, and they have like some steps and stuff she was telling me. Really, really great Airbnb. I love the location. I love the space that it has. I love that outside area. If you guys are looking for a great Airbnb here in St. Louis, or right outside St. Louis, or actually in Maryland Heights, it's about 20 to 25 minutes to get to downtown St. Louis. You guys gotta come and check out this place. We're so excited. So while everyone was watching a movie, I decided to come out for a little walk around the neighborhood. And I figured that I'd show you guys that middle school track and field that I was talking about earlier that Krista was utilizing. As you can see, there's a fence up there, but the gate is open. So we can go take a look through the gate. I don't know if they leave this open all the time or not so that locals can use it, but this is what it looks like. Wow, it looks really nice. So coming on in through the gate here, you have this entire track and field that you can go around. It's obviously like football or something right there, and soccer. And there's also all those steps right there. So if you want to do like a climbing workout, there's all the bleachers right there. So you could really get a good workout or a good run in right here. This is awesome. All right, so we need to add this Airbnb to the budget, and this Airbnb cost us $735.36. All right, guys, so when I got done with church, Krista made a delicious dinner in the crock pot again. We're just kind of taking it easy tonight. Kids are gonna watch a movie, and we're gonna go to bed. The laundry, we haven't gotten back yet, so I still have no clue how much that costs, so tomorrow we'll probably find out. So make sure to watch and subscribe for the next video. Or you can just click it right there on the screen, and I'll see y'all in that one. Thank y'all for watching, and go travel somewhere.